Hello friends, welcome to my travel channel once again. Today we have come to Chitrakoot waterfall in Chattisgarh, some 300 kilometers from Raipur. Raipur is the nearest railway station and Jagdalpur also is nearest railway station. It is 35 kilometers from Jagdalpur. This is situated 35 kilometers from Jagdalpur. Chitrakoot famous waterfall. It is known as Niagara of India. You can see in monsoon. This fall is in full bloom in monsoon. After heavy rainfall, we have come to Chitrakoot waterfall. You can see this is the river Indravati river flowing in full bloom after monsoon. You can see the beauty of Chitrakoot waterfall here. Chitrakoot waterfall